Welcome to our channel Simplified Invention. In this video, we are going to make a portable USB power bank. Let's see how to make it. Let's go on to the video. Let's see what are the accessories needed to make it. We need a small PVC box, a 9-volt battery, a 9-volt battery connector or the cap, and we have a USB 2.0 female, and we have a L7805 voltage regulator. Now let's start giving the circuit. I have removed the blue cap of the battery connector. Now we will connect it. Now we will take black battery positive terminal and we will solder it here. And then we will take another wire Now I have given a temporary circuit. Now we will solder it. Now we will solder it. Now we will circuit with the USB 2.0 female. Make sure that L7805 voltage regulator should not be heated. If heated, it won't work properly. Now we have completed the circuit. Now let's glue onto the box. Now let's assemble. First we will fix the battery. Okay. Now we will make a hole here so that the USB can be coming outside. We have made the hole. Now we will insert the USB port here. See, we have inserted the USB port. We will glue it on top of the USB pin. Now our portable power bank is ready. Let's see how it works. We will take a small phone. Let's see whether it's charging or not. Yeah, it's charging. So the power bank is working. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share, subscribe our channel Simplified Invention. and click the bell icon to get the immediate notification when we upload any videos.